Hi, we are Bina Daigeler
I'm Pepo Ruiz.
and we are costume designers for movies and television.
You can find our work in cinemas and in streaming platforms like Netflix, HBO, or Movistar.
We build the scenes with our costumes as an artwork and as a complete composition.
We focus on the actors, taking care of all the details to always convey the personality that every story needs.
For us, the most important thing is to understand the psychological background of each character in order to engage the audience through our costume design. In this Domestika course, you will learn all necessary steps to accomplish a costume design.
As a final project, you will design your own concept. Using the movie Only Lovers Left Alive and the TV series El Tiempo Entre Costuras as your guide. To do that, we will talk about the difference between costume design and fashion design, and how we personally approach a project.
We will explain how we structure a costume crew and the task of each crew member.
We will teach you how to approach a script and how to define the style of the project.
After breaking down the script, we show you how to elaborate a budget. We will show you how to make a mood board with samples of our work that we have done, Only Lovers Left Alive, El Tiempo Entre Costuras, Miss America, and how helpful these are to present your costume designs to the directors.
After that, we will explain you how to get in touch with the cast and how important a fitting calendar is.
Once we have the measurements of the cast, we will show you how to find the first prototypes, costumes, or make your first designs.
We will talk about how important the first fitting with the actor is and how you should present your costume test.
We will explain finishing touches for costumes so that they are ready for the shoot.
We will show you how to be prepared for the shooting and what you need for being on set.
And finally, we give you some advices about our profession and we encourage you to do your own projects.
At the end of the course, you will be able to reflect your creativity and ideas for your own personal concept.
To take this course, you don't need any previous knowledge. But if you're passionate about movies, television and costumes, you will love to discover all the secrets behind the scenes. Let's learn together how to dress your creativity.